If you had to understand why some traders can press their edge while others stay stuck at tiny position sizes, here's what you need to know. There are two types of traders when it comes to risk. Risk-averse traders use 0.5% to 1% exposure and struggle through losing streaks. Even when they spot A-plus setups, they can't increase size. Risk-seeking traders, they have no problem pressing when conditions align with their strategy, and that's why they capture bigger rewards. But here's the trap most traders miss. Staying in your comfort zone feels safe, but it carries its own risk. The risk of never growing your account, the risk of staying at your current level forever, the risk of regret. Not taking risks is actually taking a risk. You just don't feel it until it's too late. The real question isn't whether to take risks. It's which risk aligns with your long-term vision. Now here's what changes everything. Your risk tolerance has two parts: risk type and risk behavior. Risk type is your personality. It's your anchor, fixed, deep. It doesn't move much. Risk behavior is how you act. It's your boat. It adapts to market conditions. Most traders think their personality defines their limits, but it's your behavior that you can train, adjust, and optimize for different market environments. Factor 2, experience. From the outside, trading looks insanely risky, just like rock climbing looks suicidal to someone who's never done it. But experienced traders aren't taking more risk. They're managing it better. Experience doesn't eliminate risk. It integrates risk into your comfort zone through skill, preparation, and pattern recognition. What feels uncomfortable to a beginner becomes routine execution for a veteran. Factor 3, context. Your environment has massive influence. Who surrounds you? The culture of your trading community. The voices you listen to. A risk-averse context creates cautious traders. A context that rewards calculated experimentation creates growth. If everyone around you fears size, you'll fear size. If everyone around you manages risk intelligently and presses edges, you'll learn to do the same. Context isn't background noise. It's programming. So here's the truth. Your personality? That's your baseline. You can't change it much. But your behavior and your context? Those you control. Start with self-awareness. Understand what makes you risk-averse or risk-seeking. Then manipulate your behavior and environment to become the trader you want to be. Take the free psycho-trading diagnostic at wendytrading.app to discover your risk profile and get your personalized roadmap.